Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set a custom notification sound on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. If you want to use your own sound as a notification sound, then you want to go to the settings. Over here we need to go to sound and vibration, then go to notifications. And now over here we wanna go to pre-installed ringtones and choose notifications here. Now, of course, we will find all ringtones or actually notification sounds that are already added to the device by default. But if you want to use your own, then you can press this plus button in the bottom right corner, and then you want to go to audio files, and here you should be able to find your audio file that you want to use as a custom notification sound. In my case, it is this one over here, so you want to select on the circle on the right side and press OK at the bottom, and then the sound should be added over here in my ringtone, so you want to select it, and that's pretty much it. This is all you need to do. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.